Hello there, 7th graders. This is Mr. Kashi speaking. I'm going to go through this video and show you how to take your data from your double bar graph and put it onto Excel. And this will be part of your extra credit for the survey project, that final survey project in class. So hopefully you've taken a look at my examples in the back of the room. I am going to use part of it. I'm just going to set up my categories. I have different candy bars. We have Kit Kat, let's just say Milky Way, and Snickers. And hopefully you've separated your data into boys and girls. If you haven't, you can just do all one bar graph instead of a double bar graph. And I'm just going to make up some data here. So let's say Kit Kat are 5 boys and 8 girls, because this isn't the important part. The more important part is making the graph. So let's just say we have 7 boys and 3 girls that like Snickers. So we have Kit Kat, Milky Way, Snickers. Those are that's not the exact data that you'll see in the back, but this is just an example. And then I have the boys column and the girls column, and you can jazz it up if you want to do any of that. But the main part here is to create the double bar graph, you have to highlight everything that you want, including your categories and the 2 columns there, the boys and girls. Then you have to go up to this Insert tab. Go to the Insert tab and then hit this Column button. And under the 2D columns, this first one on the left is the best one to choose from. And really, as you can see, it just makes it for you. It separates it into boys and girls. Actually, this is really nice with the boys being blue, girls being red. It's pretty natural coloring for those 2 genders. And then you can move it anywhere you want. You can resize it. And the last thing that I would like you to do is, obviously our categories are down there, our key is to the right, we have a nice y-axis to the left. What I do want you to do is I want you to go up to layout though, and then there should be something about like a chart title, and right now there's no chart title. I want you to do a centered overlay. Then you'll just see the chart title start up there. And obviously you can rename it however you want. What I would do is I would just put in the question that I asked people for your double bar graph question, that categorical question. So what is your favorite candy bar? Question mark. All right. And then you'll have, you have to keep the data up in the upper left hand corner, but that just made a double bar graph for you. Obviously it didn't take too long. Creating a double bar graph in Excel is very easy, not too much of an extra credit project, but if you have that, make sure you save it, and we'll be having you turn that in here as well.